Ever wondered how to perfect your gingerbread house? Well, welcome to the cozy world of gingerbread architecture, where the right ingredients, careful assembly, and creative decorations are the cornerstones of a stunning edible cottage. Think of crisp gingerbread walls, the sweet aroma of spices, and the whimsical charm of candy ornaments. It's all about mastering the art of balance and letting your imagination run wild. So, are you ready for a jolly good baking adventure? Stay tuned to learn how to bring your gingerbread house to life. The journey to a perfect gingerbread house starts with quality ingredients. Begin with a hearty gingerbread mix, smooth icing, and an array of candies for decoration. A well-planned design is just as important as the ingredients. Consider the layout of your edible cottage, the color scheme, and where each sweet detail will go. It's like being an architect, but tastier. So, gather your ingredients, sketch out your design, and get ready to dive into the fun. With your ingredients ready and a plan in mind, you're set for the next step. Now comes the exciting part, assembling and decorating your gingerbread house. Start by using icing as your glue, carefully attaching each piece. To ensure the house stays firm, take your time and allow the icing to dry completely before moving on. Now, let your creativity shine in the decoration process. Use candies, sprinkles, and whatever else you fancy to bring your edible cottage to life. Remember, the goal is to create a gingerbread house that not only looks good, but also reflects your unique style. The final touches are what truly makes your gingerbread house a sight to behold. Let's give our edible cottage some winter magic by dusting it with powdered sugar. It's like a delicate blanket of snow, adding a touch of whimsy. And what's a gingerbread house without its inhabitants? Place little gingerbread men or women around the house, maybe even a cute, tiny Christmas tree. And there you have it. Your perfect gingerbread house is ready for display or devouring. Creating the perfect gingerbread house is a fun and rewarding experience. From gathering ingredients to adding the final touches, every step is filled with joy. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!